The first thing we're going to do is log into Microsoft 365 from our home page. So you'll want to click on the Faculty and Staff tab, scroll down to Microsoft 365 Login, and you'll type in the entire email address, which will have your first name dot last name at uasdraiders.org. And then your password is the same that you would have created for using Stoneware. And click Sign In. And it automatically comes to your Outlook email web application. And there you'll see your initial login or your initial email screen. And in order to create a new email, you click on the plus sign for new email, and then begin searching just by typing in someone's name. I'm going to type someone who I probably have not sent an email to, and even with the first K that I type, it starts pulling out suggestions of people that I might want to send to. I'm going to send one to someone I know I have not. So anyone that starts with Kim that I have not chosen before, I could choose now. And then the next time I would go to type her name, it would appear in my suggested contacts. If I wanted to add more contacts, I can either just type again. It'll give me all the people that start with the letter F. If I type that, it'll even give me groups. If I wanted to go and add one by one, I could also do it this way, just by clicking on the plus sign. If I want to blind copy someone, because a carbon copy, if I wanted to carbon copy someone, that means they're also going to get it, but it's not necessarily intended for them. I would do that the same way. If I want to blind copy someone, sometimes you want to send an email that isn't necessary. You just want someone else to know you sent it just for documentation purposes. These three little dots right here will give you the possibility of showing a blind copy. So you'd click Show Blind Copy, and then it would be there. So say for instance I wanted to blind copy Mr. Galley on this. Obviously I would start with the J, and I could blind copy Mr. Galley on that. If I didn't want that blind copy anymore, I just remove it the same way that I added it, and just by clicking Hide Blind Copy. A lot of people have asked about how to set the importance in an email. Again, through these three dots, you can choose whether it's of normal, high, or low importance, just by choosing that, and it will then flag that for that person as a priority type email. If I want to uncheck it, I can just remove that. And then if I also want to know that that person got that email and that they read that email, I would be able to do that by choosing message options and choose Request a Delivery Report, and that will just tell me that the person got it. I will get an email and reply, and I can request that when that person reads it, I get an email telling me so. I can either I can just have them send a request, send an email that lets me know that they actually read it. So I can do it that way. So that's how you just even start a new email, and how you search for your recipients, how to add a blind copy, how to show the importance of the email, and how to set your message options.